Well, folks, you see I pulled this old log from over where I cut that tree down the other day and pulled it over here at the truck and got the old wizard out right here. Was trying to get it started, but it keeps flooding out on me. I hadn't had it started since I put that new fuel line on it last year. It's getting plenty of gas. It's getting too much gas or something. I've let it sit for about an hour, but that plug just started soaking wet. But I'm gonna see if I can get it started here now. I don't know if I can or not. It's old wizard. Oh Lord. So you can see it come out there, but it's just start there. What in the world? Huh. What's wrong with you?
How about that?
That fuel line might have cracked off. You know, it's fitting on there so tight.
Well, it took me to come over here to start it.
You didn't do nothing. Let's see. I don't know what's wrong with you. Like it ain't getting gas. I bet that fuel line's cut off. Come back off in it.
Probably got cracked.
Just like it ain't getting gas. Remember how tight that fit on there? That black line probably split off the
Probably got a crack in it.
But it's just barely getting enough gas. I'm gonna have to get a better fuel. I mean, if it ain't something at one time or something every minute, you can't get nothing going. Seen that like that. Fuel line. I don't know what else to do. I have to get that little Poland out, I guess.
That's what it is, that fuel line.
It ain't getting gas.
That ethanol heated up.
Yeah, that's what it's done. I'd say heat that fuel line up. We'll put that new fuel line on it.
Yeah.
But see, remember, that line was so small, I didn't have one big enough to fit over that thing. You had to really get it on there. And that pressure's probably split it and it's come off. I swear, man, ain't got nothing but heartaches and troubles, buddy. I ain't lying to you.
That's what it is.
I mean, just all the time you get one thing fixed and something else tears up on you. I'm just about to give up in this whole life. I ain't lying to you. Just cut the camera.